Hello everyone, welcome back. So last class we have discussed about how to implement a TypeScript interface in a class, right? So now we're going to discuss some other concept of TypeScript, and the very important concept of TypeScript is modules. What is this modules? So modules is a concept is you have to write a separate files for each and everything. See, for example, we small issue we have in the previous program. So of course it runs perfect, but thing is, just imagine if you're writing a real world application, right? So for example, you're writing some a bigger application which contains a lot of logic, too many classes, too many interfaces. If that is the case, then how you gonna write it? Okay, in which format you gonna write? Will you write everything in a single file? See, observe closely. Till now we discussed a lot of uh, concepts, but everywhere we made single file. See, every concept we had done only with one app.ts, one just one file. So in that file only we declare interface, in that file only we declare the class, in that file only you made a objects creation. So if you write everything in one file, it's become like after some time if you write some more complex logic, it's become highly complex to maintain also. Okay, it means generally in our home we have a different partition, right? We have a home in the home like 1 bhk, 2 bhk. So bedroom, hall and kitchen. So bedroom separate, kitchen separate, hall separate. So because we have to divide it like that, and we can easily use it. Same way in application also you have to divide into separate functions, separate files you have to make it. So what I'm saying is, the interface you have to take it one separate ts file, class you have to take into separate ts file, objects creation into take into separate ts file. If you are taking into separate file, then how can I access it? See, if it is it here only, see, if my interface is in the same file, I can access directly here, right? If student object is here, I can access directly here. But thing is, if it is in a separate file, how can I get that? Simple thing. Here in modules concept, we have two uh, keywords given by the TypeScript. One is import and one more is export. So we have the same module concept in JavaScript also, same kind of that. So import and export. So it means when you're writing a separate file with interface, so if you just write an interface, that will only accessible in the file. Okay, if you want to access that interface outside of the file, you have to use the keyword called export keyword. Okay, and if you want to use that in any of file, you have to import it and use it. I show you how. So same example, I don't want to change any of this example. Same example convert into modules concept. Okay, so now create a freshly a separate folder 15-ts. Oops, modules. Okay, in this, I just create first main file, that is app.ts file. This is my main file. Okay, now for interface, see previously what we have taken interface. Let me take this interface, create into separate file. So copy this, go to modules. I create new TypeScript. Let's say I student. So generally, what is the name we have to give for a file? So people will be in a confusion. What is the file name we have to give in? Remember, what is the class name is there, same file name. What is the interface you write, the same file name. Okay. If we have more number of interfaces like nested interfaces and all, then we can take which is the the major object, the top level object. That name you can give. So now here is iStudent. I give the name called iStudent. In that, paste it. Okay. Now, if I just write an interface like this only be accessible in this file. If you want to access that outside, you have to extra declare is export. Okay. So going forward, whenever you write a separate files, you have to use the keyword called export. If I say export, I can use it in other uh, file. This is called modules concept. Next, this class I have to take it outside. Let me copy the class setup. I just create what name you give, student. Okay. uh, Now TypeScript, so capital student dot ts file, paste it. And moreover, this class you have to use it outside, so export keyword. And this I student actually uh, duplicate identifier. Actually, I do one thing in my previous setup. I can comment this so that I can use it out here. Okay, so student. Now, see, I student, it doesn't know what is that. Just add import statement. How to add import statement is like this. Import student from I student. So dot slash, because both are side by side only. So that's why dot slash I student. If it is in some other folder, so dot slash which folder name slash whatever. Okay, exactly the address you have to specify. Okay, fine. So student class, and that's fine. Next, I want to initialize here. So how to initialize? I need to get the student object, student class in my app to create an object. So let's say import student from student. You don't specify the TS file. Okay, you just specify only the file name. And what you do is let student is equal to new student. Now here just say Arjun Reddy and 25 years and MBBS. Okay, you wanna print it? Just say student dot biography. You can access. Okay, so you have separate interface, separate class, separate execution. So you have a three separate files. This is how you're supposed to write a program. Okay, using modules concept. So let me run the program in my app.ts. Open terminal. So let's say ts node space app.ts. So if I run the program, so you got Arjun Reddy, age and course. Happy, right? So this is about modules concept in TypeScript. And going forward, we use a lot of modules concepts. Okay, so that's fine. So enough for this video, and let's meet in the next video for another concepts of TypeScript. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.